Good morning, friends. This is Rajkumar Yadav, and today I am going to tell you some integration of some particular functions. I have written these formulas. Some of these formula I will tell you how to prove these formulas. But you have to learn first of all, because in questions you have to use these formulas. So these are the particular functions. You can see that if we are given a dx upon x square minus a square, so what is the integration for that? 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a in the modulus, because log is not defined for negative, plus c is always as integration, constant of integration. Again, if it is a square minus x square, the reverse, then it will be 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x. So these are the two of the same type of the formula. Again, I have written to group like that. I have written dx upon root x square minus a square there. So it will be log modulus x plus root x square minus a square plus c, right? Again, the same thing, but here is a plus sign. So it will change log x plus root. The same thing is there. If there is a minus, there is a minus. If there is plus, then in the answer there will be plus. So basic difference is that. Again, we can see that here we have this formula a square minus x square in the square root, that is sine inverse x upon a, right? Plus c always. And also we have x square plus a square dx upon. What is the difference between this one? There is a square root, but there is no square root. You can see if you can, so you can see that if there is a root x square plus a square, here x square plus a square without root, so then you have to say that this one will be 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a, right? Without square root. So we have been given these type of 6 formulas. Now I am going to tell you how to prove these formulas. Okay, so you can write that these formulas, and now I am going to tell you how to prove the first one. If you have this first one, that is dx, so don't write this dx, it is x square minus a square. First of all, take that function, and can we write this function into this form, that is 1 upon x plus a and x minus a, right? Can we write that? Yes, a square minus b square, the formula is applied here. Again, if we have this integration, then we have to put that. Now I am multiplying by 2a on the numerator and the denominator. For these type of special particular functions, we have to do that. Again, I have to write this a plus a, right? 2a is written as a plus a. You have to add x and you have to subtract x, right? The same thing is added and the subtracted, so there is no change in the value, the whole value. And we have this one. Again, if we can take this x plus a, a group of x plus a, and minus common between these two, we got x minus a, and we can write this separately, x plus a and x minus a, x plus a and x minus a. Then what will happen? This is 1 upon 2a, this is dx. Now you can see that if we can write this 1 upon 2a, it will be cancelled out. So we have x minus a there in the denominator. Also there will be x minus a will be cancelled out, right? So we can have this only x plus a into dx, and now you can integrate them. You have 1 upon x, that is log x, So you can take this 1 upon t and 1 upon, this is the log formula, log x minus a, right? And also it is written as log x plus a. And the c, always we have the c, integrating constant. Now what can we this, we can write this log a minus log b, log a minus log b, that can be written as log a upon b. So that will be 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a, right? This is the formula. Already I have written that formula in the upward direction. You can pause this video and you can understand that from where this come. So this is like that. I have done this, this proof of the first formula. So all the best for today. It is used in 7.4. So these formulas are very important. You have to learn these formula and write it every day so that you can use it properly in the questions. All the best.